Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance, us for beginners. Start by signing up, verifying your identity, and securing the account with 2FA immediately. Link a bank account or debit card to deposit USD and enable ACH transfers for lower fees. Explore the basic buy and sell interface and practice with small amounts. Learn about spot trading, orders, and basic order types before increasing trade size. Open the Wallet tab and review spot, funding, and fiat balances to understand where funds sit. Choose ACH for lower fees when depositing USD, or use a debit card for faster access with higher cost. Send crypto to your spot wallet for trading, and move long-term holdings to a cold wallet if you plan to hold. Label transfers clearly to avoid confusion across accounts. Head to the trade screen and choose between market and limit orders depending on your strategy and urgency. Market orders execute instantly at current prices, while limit orders let you set a target price and wait for fills. Review the fee schedule and watchmaker and taker distinctions to optimize costs. Start with small trades to learn order behavior and practice reading simple candlesticks for entry and exit time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.